Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm giving you update about Google AI Pro, as there is a 3 months of offer for Google AI Pro that you can use, and it is free to use. So right now let's talk about the Google AI Pro plan in the United States. Right now it is 19.99 per month and you get 5 TB of storage as well. So it includes all these: 4x higher usage limits in Gemini, YouTube Premium is included, YouTube Premium Lite to be precise, expanded usage limits in anti-gravity, the one using which you can create software, apps, websites, etc. Gemini Spark, auto browse in Google Chrome, and this is only available in US. So the offer over here is only through Google Career Certificates. I'll talk about that a little later, but let's talk about the other things you get with Google AI Pro. Boost productivity, unleash creativity, study smarter, code faster, and more. I'll provide the link to this in description box and first pinned comment, and from there you can see what is there in Google AI Pro. And if you want to try it, there's an offer from Google on Coursera, using which you can get 3 months of Google AI Pro for free. I have the Google AI Pro subscription through my network here in India, so I have the access to it for a year. And if I click on this plus button, you will see these are the pro features. These features are only available with Google AI Pro subscription, and I do have that. And if I can show you from another tab, you can see your plan is managed by Jio. Jio is our network provider here in India, but the offer which I'm talking about is coming through Coursera, and it is by Google, as Google is one of the instructors on Coursera and they have their own certificates on the platform. So if you take any of the Google career certificates from this platform, you will be getting 3 months of Google AI Pro at no extra cost. Now the certificates that are available on Coursera by Google Career Certificates are these, and you can check them out. I'll provide this link in the description box and first pinned comment. From there you can see for yourself if any of these certificates is relevant to what you do, and if you want to enhance your skills, these could be very crucial for you. And there are presence of these professional certificates on your resume are going to be very helpful when employers see your resume. So you can see they have Google Data Analytics, Google Project Management, Google UX Design, Cyber Security, IT Support, and some of the in-demand skills that are inside AI. You can see those certificates are there as well. Google AI, Google AI Essentials, accelerate your job search with AI. And then we have advanced certificates on the platform: Google IT automation with Python, Google advanced data analytics, Google business intelligence, and rest of the stuff is over here. So there are more than 10 plus certificate and specializations. You can check for yourself if any of these are for you, and when you do that, you get 3 months of Google AI Pro at no extra cost. It is very powerful thing. You should try it, and if you haven't already, do let me know. I'll find you another way to get started. But right now you do get 3 months of Google AI Pro with Google career certificates on Coursera. So if you have any questions about this, do let me know in comments section, and take a look at the description box and first pinned comment. Over there I have provided the URLs using which you can check them out whether these certificates are for you or not. So this was the video. Just wanted to give you a quick heads up about it. It is available at no extra cost to you if you get Google Career Certificate. So that's about it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me. Thank you.